viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So today we are going to discuss about also Coinbase Wallet, and in this video we are going to connect our Coinbase Wallet with Arbitrum. Yes, if you need to use your your wallet with bridging, so you must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So as you can see here, we have already discussed about Coinbase Wallet, and in last videos we discussed about connect our wallet with DAO applications, but today we are going to connect over this wallet with Arbitrum bridging. So how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. Go to the click on your Coinbase Wallet extension. Now you can see here my wallet is open in front of me. I am going to enter my password here. If I need to connect with any DAO application or any swap application or bridging application. Now you can see here the wallet is open in front of me, and there is shown the address, and I have selected by default wallet number 1. And we have already selected Ethereum network. Okay, you make sure you have selected Ethereum network, because without this network you can't connect with the bridging of Arbitrum. Okay, so now I'm going to open coinjacko.com. The Bitcoin price is this time $37,000, $337, and Bitcoin and Ethereum price is $2,000 plus. And many cryptocurrencies is green because Bitcoin price is $37 plus. So I'm going to check the rank of Arbitrum. The rank number is shown here in top cryptocurrency list. Yes, you can see here Arbitrum ARB, and if I'm going to click on it, so new page is open in front of me. The Arbitrum is rank 48 number, and the price is $1.02. And if I'm going to click on maximum, so I will check the maximum price. Yes, in April maximum price is almost $1.68, and this time is 88% down from the all-time high. Just price is $1. Okay, and you can also trade this coin on these exchanges like Binance, Gate.io, Toolbit, and Bitfinex. And Arbitrum is the roll-up chain designed to improve the scalability of Ethereum. It's achieved this by binding multiple transactions into a single transaction. Okay, you can also read the article about Arbitrum from this main page, and your right top corner you can see here, this is the official website is shown here, arbitrum.io. I'm going to click on it. If you need to connect your wallet with Arbitrum for bridging, simple click on it. Now the main page is open in front of me, and you can see here there is product, protocol, bridge, community, and resources. Welcome to the future of Ethereum, and take it into the next layer with the network, making Ethereum more inclusive and the sustainable. Network is the most advanced blockchain scaling technology in the industry. You can get more information about Arbitrum from the main page of this website. and Coindex digital art platform. Main information is available here. 1.53 Ether saved, 644k achieved wallet, 7.08 billion total value logged, 55.67% layer 2 market share, and 470 million total transactions. Launch customized chain. So thus we are going to connect our Coinbase wallet with bridging. The third option, simple is that, click on it. If your wallet is already open, so you can see here the option will be automatically pop up front of you. First Rainbow, second Coinbase wallet, and third MetaMask, and fourth Wallet Connect. So this time I'm only use Coinbase wallet, so that I'm going to connect our wallet with this bridging system. Simple, click on it. Now my Coinbase wallet pop-ups open front of me, and now let it see your wallet balance and activity. Let it send your request for transaction. Fund will not be leave your wallet until your execution of transaction. Okay, and you can see here my wallet is shown here. So I'm going to authorize connect my wallet with this bridging system. Now as you can see here, my wallet is successfully connected, and there is shown my wallet address. If you have make any transaction, then you can check your record from this portion. Okay, and now second option is Ethereum. If I'm going to click on it, so you can see here there also available Arbitrum 1 and Arbitrum Nova, but I default selected Ethereum, so that shown is here Ethereum. Now you can easily bridge your coin to other, like Arbitrum. Let's suppose you have Ethereum in your wallet. I have not any balance, so that is maybe shown error. Yes, insufficient Ethereum. Please add more fund to in Ethereum. Let's suppose you have a balance in your Ethereum wallet in Coinbase, and you want to bridge with Arbitrum. Simple, you can select Arbitrum Nova. So all information will be shown in front of you if you have a balance. Okay, then you can move fund to the Arbitrum Nova. This button will be highlighted from this web to front of you. Okay, so you can easily bridge your coin from Coinbase wallet, and you can easily convert in Arbitrum Nova. Okay, after use this website, you must disconnect your wallet, because this is very necessary for you of security basis. Otherwise sometime your wallet will be hacked. Okay, so keep in your mind. So as I hope you properly understand how can you connect your Coinbase wallet with Arbitrum bridging system, and you can also check the ecosystem from here, and also read more information about bridging, about Arbitrum, and also you can see here how much gas am I saving. You can also save the gas if you use the Ethereum layer 2 system. Okay, so if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. Okay, so we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.